Hello guys, good afternoon. Nandito kami yan sa bahay. So yeah, we're so excited kasi as you can see, malapit nang matapos. Well, marami pa namang gagawin. As you can see, bare pa yung floor, wala pa yung vinyl flooring. Yung vinyl flooring. Parang hindi ko na alam kung ano sasabihin. But anyway, so I just want to show you kung ano na yung mga nagawa or natapos na nilang gawin dito sa bahay. So, ayan na-install na nila yung cabinets. So, pasensya na si Sam kasi nagsiscrape siya ng mga mud sa floor para to make sure na flat lahat. No? But anyway, so ayan na yung mga cabinets. So, wala pa siyang countertop. Hindi pa nila na-install. I think, i-install na nila kapag ewan ko kung kailan. Basta ayan, wala pa. So, ayan yung mga drawers. Tapos yung sa cabinet. Tapos may paganito pa. Ayan. So, sa part na to, dito ilalagay yung fridge. Tapos, dito ilalagay yung microwave and oven. 0.5 natin para makita lahat. So, ayan yung whole kitchen ko. And, so in this part, dito yun. So, dito ilalagay yung sink and then yung dishwasher. Tapos, dito naman yung stove. Bali, yung stove ko is electric stove, hindi na yung gas range. So, ito yung mga cabinets. Ayan. Mataas siya, guys. Hindi ko abot yung sa pinakamataas. Kailangan kong gamit ng stool. Ayan. Tapos, ito naman yung pantry. So, ayan. May door na, pero, ayan. Super pa lang talaga siya, guys. Bali, yung natapos lang yung drywall. Tapos, meron ng mga pintuan, but this one, hindi pa siya napinturahan. Bali, anong tawag dito? Basta, hindi pa finish ba yung paint niya. And, so, ito yung living area. So, and we also have yung fireplace. So, ayan. Okay. So, gusto ni Sam na ipakita ko sa inyo yung what do you call it? This one. Basta ganyan, guys. Parang may tiles siya.
It's like a marble style.
Yeah, it's a marble style. It's really nice yung style. Ayan. Tapos ito, yung sa fireplace, hindi pa siya Verona mantle. So, ito yung what do you mean? This one?
Yeah, that one.
Okay. So, this one is yung Verona mantle na raw. And, bali, tinakpan nila kasi nagpintura sila dito. And,
More.
ha?
Did you ever see it?
The what?
But I was going to show it. Let's be careful. Here. How do I take this?
What?
Wait till this. Be careful.
So, first time namin magka-fireplace. So, really so excited on this one. What?
Did you ever see this?
We'll just show that next time, baby.
Did you ever see it?
Oh, no. Wow! So, yan yung itsura sa loob. But next time, I will just show them it fully. And also, nag-touch up din sila, guys. I'm not sure if this is the final paint. Do you think? Maybe they're gonna paint it again.
Why? Does it look? I can't tell. I think it's the final paint.
I don't think so because they still like wala here.
They will do that with the brush, but here, the main part maybe, it's the final. I'm not sure.
We'll see. So ayan.
That's why they did it in yellow, I think. Like the touch-ups.
Yeah, the
They
touch-ups.
came by the drywallers. They found any. No, maybe it's not the final.
I told you it's still like faint, you know?
Yeah.
What do you call that? It's not like fully white.
Yeah. So what?
So, we're not sure, guys. But for me, parang hindi pa sila tapos sa pintura. So, sa wall. And yeah, so we also have windows here. I really like it kasi malalaking windows. And yeah, so we'll have a natural light, diba? So, yeah. And so ito yung view from our living room. Tapos ayan, bali open concept yung bahay namin. So we really love it.
We're young, we like open concept.
Sabi ni Sam, we're young and we love open concept.
We don't want to be restricted. Prison.
A prison. So let's go sa kitchen nook. And this is one of my favorite din kasi maraming windows again. Ayan, isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima. Tapos ito yung sliding door namin, which is glass sliding door. And hindi kami makakalabas dyan kasi sila din yung naglagay ng ganyan, balihin narangan nila for our safety. Kasi mataas kaya. Let's see, let's open it. Try natin kung ma-open natin. Oh, maybe I can't open this one. Did they lock it? I think they lock, huh? So that you can go outside or what?
I opened it.
Oh, you did?
Go down.
Hindi ko lang pala alam kung paano buksan. But anyway, ito yung itsura niya. So they put this one. And yeah, tingnan nyo, mataas yan guys. And also, ito pala yung bricks. Tapos ito yung pinili namin na color, mulberry. So parang Detroit style siya guys. Kasi mostly sa mga bahay sa Detroit, bricks din. Tapos ito yung design or yung color. And also, ito yung backyard namin. Ayan. Sa may, yung wala pang grass, sa amin yan lahat. Ayan. So, this is our backyard. Ayan. So, thank you Lord kasi malawak na yung backyard ko. And then, pwede na ako magtanim ng, mas maraming tanim. Like mga gulay, mga prutas or whatever. So, ayan. So, this is my kitchen nook. Or pwede din namin gawin na sunroom. Let's open this. So, ayan. So, lahat to amin to guys. Thank you Lord. So, malawak yung backyard namin. There you go. So, ito naman yung view sa kilid. And ayan yung kapitbahay namin. Hindi din tapos yung bahay. Maybe November or December, tapos na yung bahay. So, we're so excited kasi October na, bali mga 1 to 2 months na lang, di ba? Matatapos na yung house. And makakalipat na kami dito. It's blue sky now, my love. It's blue sky. It's not gloomy. But there's some, pero dito, gloomy. Medyo gloomy. Oh, blue sky. Pero doon sa may gloomy siya. Pero dito on this side, gloomy. Blue sky na. Ayan. So, ayan yung update sa bahay. And, ito naman is going to the basement. Ayan, medyo madilim. Hindi na tayo dyan pupunta. Ay, sorry. And this one, yung madilim kasi guys, kasi tinakpan nila dito kasi nag-install sila ng brick sa front part ng bahay. But anyway, ito yung living area. And this one, ito yung office room ni Sam. Private to guys kasi ayan double door siya. Ayan.
Private one at glass.
Yeah, kasi
Like people get glass.
of course for like design, it's nice to have a glass also. So this one, ayan lang, walang Bali, plain door lang talaga siya. Hindi, kasi pwede ka din pumili or kasi pwede ka din pumili ng glass. May pag-glass na style. Pero ayaw ni Sang kasi gusto niya may privacy siya. In case if he's, working from home again. Ayan. So, I'm not sure. I can open this door, right?
Yeah.
So, ayan. So, ito yung front, namin, porch. So, ito yung bricks. Ayan, maraming bricks. So, Lombardo Homes. Ayan. So, sa susunod ko na lang, i-video ulit to kapag tapos na yung sa front porch area namin. Ayan. So, ayan yung ginagawa ni Sam. And also, ito pala yung pinili namin na hand railing.
Design, yeah.
So, ayan. Simple lang siya, guys. And here's what the outside of the house looks like. They've installed some of the bricks, but not all of them yet. The vinyl siding isn't done either. Maybe it will be finished by next week. So, I'll update you again in my next vlog. Thank you for watching.